Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys every location of today's rainbow bouquet as well as where Doris is in Heartopia. So today is the 12th of May. And then the first rainbow bouquet you're going to see is obviously going to be in front of your house. It's always going to be in front of your house, so you're just going to want to claim that. And let's go to the fishing village because that is where the rainbow is for today. And this is where the second flower bouquet is. It is next to Doris. So here is where Doris is and the rainbow bouquet is. It is near the lighthouse. Here is where it is on the map. And here is where Doris is as well. I'm just going to purchase some rainbow sugar, some color sugar here. Okay, and for our third one, it is near the lighthouse over here. And yeah, that is where all of the rainbow bouquets are and where Doris is. Here's where the third bouquet is. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!